The WEN RT6033 Router Kit boasts a powerful 15-amp motor that allows for variable speed control, ranging from 8,000 to 23,000 rotations per minute. This versatile router is designed with a spring-loaded base that can be locked down to function as both a plunge and a fixed router, offering flexibility in your woodworking projects. It is compatible with a wide range of bits thanks to its inclusion of both 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch collets, and provides a maximum plunge depth of up to 2 3/8 inches. A standout feature of this router is its intricate depth stop system, which includes a 7-stop turret and both macro and micro adjustment dials for maximum precision. The kit comes with a variety of useful accessories, such as a hard-shelled carrying case, a dust collection duct, and multiple guides for edge and template routing. With the support of WEN's extensive service network and customer helpline, this router kit ensures reliable performance and customer satisfaction.